Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, excuse the look today. You know what? I need to stop doing that because in my life, day to day, I look like this a lot. So, love it or leave it, people. So today's video is going to be our first BARKBOX unboxing, and obviously Sherman is excited. I have been dying to open this. Oh, excuse me. I have been dying to open this. I got it yesterday in the mail after work, and I wanted to wait because I wanted to film it. I did peek inside of it, and it's so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. So this is the, what month are we in? September? I believe this is a September box. This is my first time ordering BARKBOX, and I think you can smell the treats in there. This was my first time ordering BARKBOX or any type of dog subscription box, and I found a code to get 50% off my first box, so I ended up only paying like $10.50 for it, which is not bad considering everything that you get in it. So just a little bit about my dog. He's a Goldendoodle. If you guys have never watched my videos before, his name is Sherman. Come here, baby. So he is almost 9 months old, and he's a Goldendoodle puppy. Right, you're a Goldendoodle. And he's so cute. He's a medium sized. He is a little bit over 50 pounds, and I think that he's pretty much done growing. He's not even interested in what I'm doing right now. Anyways, so long story short, this is our first box. I did subscribe for the 12-month subscription, so I'm really excited. And by the way, I'm in my PJs. Don't mind me. I'm gonna try to get some footage of like him kind of getting in the box when I open it. So I'm gonna kind of put the camera a little bit lower, but let's start the unboxing. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a superhero theme. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. He's like super interested right now, so I'm just gonna like vlog it right here. But this is what the box looks like. It is so stinking cute, you guys. So it looks like this when you open it. It has this little superhero paper wrapping. And the first thing I see is these Super Clucks chicken dog treats. And this is from the maker of BARKBOX. So let's try these. These are only 3 calories per treat, so these are good for like training treats. Oh, they're like really light. This is what they look like. They look like little, nope. They feel like nothing. Like they feel like a piece of styrofoam. Good boy. You wanna try? Is that good? So, he likes those. Those are interesting. They're like airy. Like they feel like air. They're like so light. Okay, so the next, oh. This is the next treat that it has in the box. And these are Dynamic Chewo beef and chicken dog snacks. And they look like little rectangles, and it says, these are 23 calories per treat, so this is more of like a treat, not like a training treat. So I'm sure he's gonna like these, so let's open these up. And they are beef and chicken. So, my dog is not picky at all. I don't know about your guys' dogs. He will pretty much eat anything, any kind of treat I buy him. So, I'm not really worried about him liking it, but we'll see. Ready, Sherman? Look, look right here. Do you like? He always takes his treats and like takes them somewhere else. You like it or no? Eat it. He's licking it, but I don't know if he likes it or not. That's so weird because he pretty much likes anything. Look, eat it, baby. It's yummy. He ate it. Did you like it? He liked it. Sorry these clips are like so all over the place. I'm not really sure how to film with my dog. If you guys have any tips, let me know. So that was the second treat that it came with. And then there was one more treat in here. This is called Butcher's Block Bones, 100% natural roasted beef steak. And do not use on carpets. What does that mean? This is what it looks like. It feels really light, like really, really light. And this is what it looks like. I don't know. I'm not gonna give this to him right now because it's like almost 9 o'clock. So he's already eaten and stuff, and sometimes I just don't know if it'll react with his stomach well, but I'm sure he'll like it. I'll probably give him this when I need him to kind of like be busy and do something. That's what I like these kinds of treats for. but already this box is worth over $10, I know for sure, because each of these bags of treats could probably go for $5 a piece, and then this definitely is a couple dollars, so that's easily over $10. If I didn't have the 50% off coupon, it would have been $21, but still with the toys in this box, I think it's definitely worth the money. So the next thing that's in the box is this little pamphlet. It has like a little comic book inside. That is so cute. And then, oh, it just tells you about the box on the back, so that's really helpful. So this is the first toy that they gave. Now, I do know a little bit about BARKBOX toys. Oh, he took the other toy, so we'll talk about that one in a moment. But I do know a little bit about BARKBOX toys because one of my family friends, her name is Julie. I actually lived with her in Texas when I lived near my husband's tech school, but that's a different story. Her daughter has a standard poodle, and she had a BARKBOX subscription for him. And when we moved here to Florida and she knew that we got our dog, she sent us a big box of toys that were from Bruce's BARKBOX that he didn't like because he's a little bit more picky, I think, and there was just a lot of toys he didn't care to play with. So literally most of Sherman's toys are from BARKBOX that the other dog didn't like. So I know that they come out with like super cute, really cute toys. Like Sherman had one that looked like a milk bottle. Another one looked like, there's a hedgehog that he still has that he like loves. It's like almost like his little like security blanket, like it's like his little stuffed animal. It's so cute and stuff like that. So he took both of the toys, so I'll show you over there. This is the first little guy. He's a little lobster. He's super cute. And let's see, does he squeak, Sherman? Oh, he does. Oh boy. Some people don't like the squeaky toys. I don't really mind. And it says Toxic Critters, Crab Van Goon. That's so funny. That's really funny. But that is so cute. And then this one is a hamster maybe? What does his little tag say? It says Toxic Critters. His name is Sensei Whiskers. Oh, he's a cat? I guess he's a cat. Okay, I thought he was a hamster. But there's his little fluffy tail. And he has this little cape that crinkles, which is really cool. And does it, oh, this one squeaks too, boy. That one squeaks too, and this one's really soft. But the thing about these toys is that from the toys that I know that Sherman has gotten from our friend, from her BARKBOX that her dog didn't like, they've really lasted. Oh, and this little has like little crinklies too. He loves them. He gets new toys all the time, so I love to see him when he gets new toys. They're so cute. And these toys, I would say if you found these at the pet store, would easily be like $7 or $10. So I think you definitely get your money's worth. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to see more BARKBOX unboxings with me every month, then I would definitely do them. Just let me know, because Sherman loves it already. I'm so happy that I decided to get it. Because honestly, I spend money on treats and toys like what seems like every week. Definitely treats every week. And I feel like this will help like save a little bit of money almost, because I won't have to buy as much stuff. Like those 2 bags of treats will last him a while because I don't give him treats like all day long. The treating treats I go through quicker, so like these little chewy treats will last me a while. So I'm really excited to have all this stuff. I hope you guys liked it. And like I said, let me know if you want me to do more unboxings like this in the future. And watch out, because my next video is a vlog, in case those are the kinds of videos that you like to see from me. So I will be vlogging tomorrow and posting it later this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Sherman.